1. Aries, 21st March to 19th April. Lucky Gemstones. Red coral. Red coral resonates with Aries' fiery nature, promoting strength, courage, and action. It encourages Aries to take initiative and pursue goals with passion, while calming their sometimes impulsive tendencies. Bloodstone. This stone enhances vitality and creativity. It boosts Aries' confidence, helping them lead with determination, while also balancing their energy during stressful situations. Enhances courage, strength, leadership, passion. 2. Taurus, 20th April to 20th May. Lucky Gemstones. Emerald, known as the stone of successful love. Emerald promotes unconditional love and loyalty, which are key traits of Taurus. It also enhances abundance and wealth, supporting Taurus in manifesting prosperity and stability. Rose quartz, a gentle stone of love and compassion. Rose quartz helps Taurus stay grounded in their emotions. It promotes self-love and forgiveness, reducing stubbornness and encouraging openness. Enhances love, emotional balance, prosperity, stability. 3. Gemini, 21st May to 20th June. Lucky Gemstones. Agate. Agate grounds Gemini's fluctuating energy, helping them stay focused and balanced. It promotes intellectual clarity and soothes the mind, enhancing Gemini's communication and quick-thinking abilities. Aquamarine. This stone aids in calming nervous tension and emotional imbalances, helping Gemini to articulate thoughts clearly. It encourages truthfulness and is excellent for easing stress in social situations. Enhances communication, intellectual clarity, adaptability, balance. 4. Cancer, 21st June to 22nd July. Lucky Gemstones. Pearl, representing purity, wisdom, and emotional healing. Pearl aligns with Cancer's nurturing nature. It strengthens intuition and helps Cancers protect their sensitive emotions from negative energies. Moonstone, a highly intuitive and calming stone. Moonstone supports Cancer's emotional flow. It encourages self-discovery and enhances Cancer's natural connection to the moon, emotions, and cycles of life. Enhances emotional healing, intuition, protection, nurturing. 5. Leo, 23rd July to 22nd August. Lucky Gemstones. Ruby, a stone of power. Ruby amplifies Leo's natural confidence, charisma, and leadership qualities. It inspires passion and vitality, pushing Leo to live life with boldness and enthusiasm. Carnelian. This vibrant stone strengthens Leo's creativity and helps them express their ideas freely. It boosts motivation and brings courage, while also fostering a playful and joyful outlook on life. Enhances confidence, vitality, creativity, leadership. 6. Virgo, 23rd August to 22nd September. Lucky Gemstones. Sapphire. Sapphire is known for promoting wisdom and insight, helping Virgos navigate through life's details with precision. It strengthens mental clarity, bringing a sense of peace and focus to their perfectionist nature. Peridot. This stone encourages growth and prosperity, which complements Virgo's diligent and hard-working attitude. It also aids in emotional healing and releases negative thought patterns, keeping Virgo grounded. Enhances wisdom, focus, health, emotional clarity. 7. Libra, 23rd September to 22nd October. Lucky Gemstones. Opal. Opal is known for enhancing harmony and emotional balance, which are central to Libra's search for peace and fairness. It brings beauty, love, and creativity into Libra's life, encouraging a harmonious environment. Lapis lazuli. This stone amplifies truth, honesty, and communication, which are vital for Libra in maintaining balanced relationships. It supports their intellectual growth, and helps them make just decisions. Enhances harmony, love, diplomacy, creativity. 8. Scorpio, 23rd October to 21st November. Lucky Gemstones. Topaz. Topaz amplifies Scorpio's natural intensity, promoting clarity, strength, and transformation. It helps Scorpio focus their energy on achieving goals, while also fostering deep spiritual growth and personal transformation. Malachite, known as the stone of transformation, malachite supports Scorpio's journey of self-discovery and change. It protects against negative energies and helps balance emotional turbulence, which Scorpios often experience. Enhances power, transformation, protection, focus. 9. Sagittarius, 22nd November to 21st December. Lucky Gemstones. Turquoise. Turquoise is a stone of adventure, aligning with Sagittarius' love of travel and exploration. It enhances spiritual awareness, optimism, and creativity while protecting Sagittarius during their journeys. Amethyst. This stone boosts Sagittarius' spiritual connection, encouraging deep introspection. It also supports their natural sense of optimism and helps maintain emotional balance, especially during periods of change. Enhances optimism, spiritual growth, adventure, protection. 10. Capricorn, 22nd December to 19th January. Lucky Gemstones. Garnet. Garnet fuels Capricorn's ambition and drive for success. It provides grounding energy, supports personal growth, and helps Capricorn manifest their goals with persistence and determination. Onyx. Onyx strengthens Capricorn's sense of discipline and stability. It shields against negativity, helps clear mental confusion, and fosters endurance, which is essential for Capricorn's methodical nature. Enhances ambition, discipline, stability, perseverance. 11. Aquarius, 20th January to 18th February. Lucky Gemstones. Amethyst. Amethyst enhances Aquarius' intuition and spiritual connection. It promotes clarity of mind and encourages Aquarius to pursue innovative ideas. It also helps with emotional balance, which supports Aquarius in their often eccentric ways. Umber. Umber is associated with light and warmth, promoting optimism and joy in Aquarius life. It enhances creativity, protection, and helps ground their visionary ideas into practical actions. Enhances innovation, freedom, intuition, creativity. 12. Pisces, 19th February to 20th March. Lucky Gemstones. Aquamarine. Aquamarine is deeply connected to Pisces' emotional and spiritual nature, promoting calmness and peace. It strengthens intuition, enhances creativity, and fosters self-expression, making it an ideal stone for Pisces. Jade. Jade brings harmony, prosperity, and protection to Pisces. It encourages spiritual growth, emotional healing, and supports Pisces in finding balance between their dreamy nature and the practical world. Enhances compassion, imagination, peace, emotional healing.